want to share my experience with the Recell product. I'm a photographer, and being a photographer, I have to be on my feet a lot. A few months ago, I had right before a very large couple of shoots that I had, photo shoots that I had scheduled, I had a freak accident where I stepped on a needle that was about this big, and it went all the way into my foot. By the time I realized what happened, it was embedded deep into my foot, not along the skin, but deep into the tissue. So much so that it had to be surgically removed. They couldn't just extricate it, they had to cut open, sorry to be graphic, and open my foot to pull it out, to pull the needle all the way out. So I had a really nasty, disgusting scar on my foot. The doctor said that I will be able to walk and be active again probably in a few weeks. Well, I didn't have a few weeks. I had a shoot, a couple of shoots, like within the next 5 or 6 days or so. So I started to apply the Recell product to my foot. I didn't take the stuff that they asked me to put on my foot. I took the Recell and put it on my foot, and I put it under my bandage, and I bandaged it up. And unfortunately, I did have to go out and work, but I wasn't supposed to be healed. The wound wasn't supposed to be closed for at least a few weeks. My foot was healing in a way that within, I'd say, a week and a half, that the surgery site had closed up to where there wasn't any gross stuff happening. I still wasn't supposed to work on it, but I was working my butt off because I had to. I didn't have a choice. By the time I went back for my checkup 2 weeks later, the doctor said it looked like it had been a couple of months. That's how fast my foot was healing. Expecting to change a linen and still see stuff going on, but it had healed so well that if he hadn't been the one that did the surgery and seen it before, he definitely would have said that the injury had happened way before it did. So I have some pictures. Please excuse my feet, they're ashy. I didn't have a lot of time. Moisturizing wasn't my concern, but I do want to share with you how my foot looked during the process. And I only wish I had taken pictures when it first happened, but it was really, really gross. But I do want to show you the progression of how quickly that my foot healed. And this happened in a period of a couple of weeks. The pictures that I was taking happened in a period of a couple of weeks. So the product is amazing. It's got a lot of uses. My husband actually uses it. He takes it internally, and it keeps him from getting sick. I don't want to know if it's allergies or whatever, but he usually has an issue every summer. It helps with digestion. I haven't started using it that way yet, but I definitely use it on my on small injuries. I use it on my décolletage area, TMI. I know it's good for your skin. It's an amazing product. Thumbs up. So get you some from Shirley Hill. You will not be sorry because it has so many uses. If you don't get to use it for you, you'll definitely be able to use it for your kids, your mom, your dad, elderly people. It regenerates the skin. It honestly does. Take a look at these pictures. I hope they don't gross you out too much, but you really need to know how well this stuff works.